Hello, good people, and welcome back to the IWM YouTube channel. The channel for you that loves music. You want to know how it's done, whether it's music production, songwriting, mixing, mastering, working with artists, working with record labels, wherever, whatever. This channel is for you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if that fits you. Today, we want to talk about reharmonization. What is that? Why do we need it? Do we love it? Yes, we do. So, are you ready? Let's get right into it. Okay, so, as you already know, I'm a music producer from Sweden. I work with a lot of different artists, different styles, different genres. And sometimes they say to me, hey, Isaac, can you make something cool out of this melody or this chord progression or whatever? And yes, I can. You don't have to do exactly what the start of the song has already made up, such as the original chords, the original everything, the original melody. Always talk to the artist first if you change the melody. That's a quick tip for you. So, what can you do? Well, you can basically use reharmonization to increase the feel of something that you want to put emphasis on. And you can do that in many different styles. But I'm going to try to show you my process of doing this. So, let's get into the studio. Okay. Simple as it is, I have a piano here. And also a microphone. And I'm gonna show you, let's take a song. Let's take Amazing Grace. And one way of doing this is basically to just sing it and put the chords as they used to be. Like, Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Not so fun. Okay, what else can you do? Well, maybe you don't have to start on the, first chord. You can start with, oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Oh, I was blind, but now I see. Was blind, but now I see. Something like that. You don't have to use that kind of chords, but be sure to use chords that you like, that fits the purpose, that fits the genre. And in this example, you don't have to start with the first tone. If you're playing in E flat, you can always start with something else. Like, what do you call it in English? D flat major. And you can then experiment with the dominant chords. You can do whatever. Make sure you use your ears to decide what you believe sounds good. And I mean, we are all here on this planet to make music interesting. And if you find a melody or a chord progression not interesting, please change it. Be sure to talk to the artist first if you work with one. That's a quick tip for you. But make sure you use the chords you like, and if it fits your ear, if you react physically to it, then something is happening. And I mean, if you use the same chords all over again, you're gonna get the same results. So if you change something, you're gonna get a different result. Not necessarily better, but different. What's your go-to ways when it comes to making music interesting? Put it in the comments. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. That will help me a lot and make these videos a lot more. So, until next time, keep reharmonization real and keep doing that so we all will end up with interesting music. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.